As synkinesis means you overuse your muscles, they will get tight and short, similar to over-exercising in the gym and getting tight muscles. Stretches will help lengthen the muscle out again so that they work more normally. When you are doing your stretches, you can always compare the affected side with the other side to see how different it feels. When you're examining your face, you may find that certain areas feel particularly tight and tender. These tight spots are called trigger points and can be released by applying firm pressure directly to them for 2 minutes. Pressing the trigger point for a full 2 minutes starves the muscle of oxygen, which forces it to relax when you release the pressure. You may discover trigger points anywhere in the face muscles. Like massage, you can't really overdo stretches or trigger point release, so if you want to do these more than once a day, you can. Start by stretching the forehead muscle. Put your fingers in the middle of the forehead and then using firm pressure, slowly move one hand up towards the hair and the other hand down to the brow. Repeat this 5 times. Moving on to the eye. This is a circular muscle, so needs to be stretched in 3 different areas. Start with the top of the eye. Put the fingers in the middle of the brow and slowly pull them apart, finishing at the ends of the eyebrows. Repeat 5 times. Then, move the fingers to the side of the eye, just next to the outer corner. Slowly pull one hand up and the other down to open up the eye. Repeat 5 times. Then, stretch under the eye. Place the fingers below the delicate eyelid skin, level with the centre of the eye. Pull one hand across to the nose and the other hand towards the ear. If your eye closure or blink is still not perfect, you will still need to continue stretching the eyelid. Use one finger to hold the lid closed and the other hand to lift the brow and stretch the eyelid. Hold for 20 seconds and repeat 3 times. If you have any pain associated with your dry eye, please ask to be referred to an eye specialist. It's worth noting that some patients stop using their eye drops because their eye is watering. But a watering eye can be a sign of excessive dryness, so please don't stop using your eye drops in this situation. The muscle over the nostril can get tight and feel painful when stretched. To stretch this, place your thumb inside the nostril, then slide the finger over the muscle on the outside 5 times. The affected side of your top and bottom lip will also get tight. To stretch these, place one finger in the centre of the top lip and the other finger in the corner of the top lip and pull the 2 fingers apart. Hold for 20 seconds and repeat 3 times. Do the same with the bottom lip. To stretch the affected side of the neck, tilt the head away from the affected side, place the hands in the middle of the neck and slowly pull one hand up towards the jawline and the other hand down towards the collarbone. You will need to do 5 stretches in each area of the neck and cover the front, middle and back part of the neck, just as with your massage. Before stretching the cheek, be sure to wash your hands and then follow the demonstration on the screen. Imagine your face is a clock. Put your thumb inside your cheek and the fingers over the top next to your nose in the 12 o'clock position. Squeeze the muscle firmly and pull down slowly and firmly, letting your fingers move down towards your lips. Repeat this 5 times. Now move your fingers into the 5-pass position on your clock by the outer corner of your eye and stretch down to the lips on a slight diagonal 5 times. Repeat this in the 10-pass position down along the cheekbone 5 times. Then do the 1/4-pass position, coming straight across to the corner of the lips from the earlobe 5 times. Then do 20-passed. This time work upwards from the jawline towards the corner of the mouth 5 times. For 25 passed, work again from the jawline up toward the lower lip 5 times. And finally, for half past, work from the chin straight up to the centre of the lower lip 5 times. Because there is a muscle in the cheek that pulls inwards, you will also need to do an outward stretch of the cheek. Place the index finger inside your cheek with your teeth lightly together and your knuckle resting against your teeth. Bend the tip of the finger to stretch the cheek out and hold for 20 seconds. Repeat 3 times. This one can be very tight and sore, so really needs releasing. Don't forget, you can always compare with the other side to see how tight it really is. It's important to do your massage and stretches every day.